Hi there, welcome to Desk Director. We understand how important it is for you to monitor BiggerBrains usage, so today we will show you how to do just that. Let's get started. BiggerBrains offers a wide range of e-learning courses that seamlessly integrate directly within the client portal, allowing your customers to access training without ever leaving the app. Of course, monitoring client participation is crucial for tracking engagement, measuring the value clients are getting from the training, and identifying learning gaps. To start monitoring BiggerBrains usage, begin by first opening the admin portal and then locating the Analytics tab and clicking on the BiggerBrains heading. Desk Director's BiggerBrains usage page lets you monitor how clients engage with BiggerBrains content through the portal. You can track overall course launches, see a breakdown by company, and drill down to individual contact participation. This visibility helps you understand how clients are using the e-learning resources and highlights opportunities to encourage further adoption and skill development. Clicking on a bar for each month will break down the usage further, displaying a new graph and table showing which companies contributed to the activity. For months with higher usage involving more than 5 companies, 2 graphs will appear, one showing the top 5 companies and another showing the bottom 5 based on user activity. That is all for today. Stay informed and up to date by tracking how clients engage with BiggerBrains training through the portal. Thanks for watching.